To be super clear right off the start, I do not have any personal experience with minoxidil, and I don't have any plans to try it in the future. With that said, I normally try to avoid talking about, especially on a video, anything that I don't have personal experience with. However, one of the most common, one of the most daily questions that I get is about minoxidil. And then specifically, should I use minoxidil first or beard oil first, aka which order do I go in? Now, this is something that continues to come up, and it's not, hey, should I use minoxidil? And they're just saying, I'm going to use it. Can you help me with the order? So I wanted to make a video to help those people out just based on the research that I have consumed, and then also reaching out and talking to countless amount of you guys that do have experience, good, bad, and other. So this is my takeaway, and we're gonna get right to it. I believe the best method is on a clean face, apply minoxidil, then wait 2 to 4 hours before applying beard oil. Now, most do believe that beard oil is a good option in this situation because minoxidil, according to people, is going to dry your face out. Now, minoxidil, for those of you that are not familiar, is the active ingredient in stuff like Rogaine. It is a drug. It does have side effects. It does have some warnings and worries with it. I've heard from about 3 different types of people that have used minoxidil. One group, it worked. They had areas where they were very frustrated. They did not ever have hair growing, and now they have hair growing. Got it. I have another group that it just did nothing. They wasted money. There was nothing negative. There was nothing positive, just no results at all. Now, of course, I know some of the minoxidil fans are screaming, but Dan, user error and the wrong method and consistency and quality and the right percentage, and was it foam? I hear you. I'm just sharing what people have shared with me. I'm not pro minoxidil. I'm not against minoxidil. I'm just sharing. So for some people, it does nothing. And then there absolutely is a third camp that have had negative or adverse reactions to minoxidil. The scariest of which being heart palpitations. Others have very serious skin conditions and irritations and burning that happens. I don't know what leads to which camp or how that happens. And then, of course, the next natural question is, Dan, if I add in a Derma Roller, if I add in a Derma Stamp, if I add in something that's going to help, how does that fit in the order? This one, I'm even more uncomfortable with giving an answer. However, I will say, generally speaking, people use the Derma Roller before minoxidil, but many people don't use minoxidil on the day of Derma Rolling. I've talked to a lot of people that use the Derma Roller twice a week, let's say Sunday and Thursday, and they don't use minoxidil on those days because of irritation. Now, I don't know the best method. I do have a full-fledged video on derma rolling. Again, no experience, but I break down the history behind it. I break down the science behind it. It's actually super interesting, and I don't have a recommendation. I'm not saying avoid it. I'm not saying try it. I'm just presenting the information for you guys. So to wrap this up, if you're just looking for an answer and you're like, I'm committed to minoxidil, but I still want to have a beard care routine, it would be the minoxidil first, wait for some time for it to absorb in and do its job, and then beard oil later. Down below, you guys, questions, experiences especially. This will be one of the most important videos for you to share your experience if you have used minoxidil. What order did you use it in? Did you have success? Did you have a bad reaction? Was it nothing? Is there something that you would want a viewer to know that is considering this, or maybe not? This is the beautiful opportunity down below to share your side of the story. Cannot wait to read. Beyond that, you guys, if you ever have any questions, leave a comment. My contact info is in the description. I'm here to help out anybody, whether it's with beard growth, whether it's with a beard routine, anything at all, guys. I am here for you. I promise. My name is Dan C. Bearded. If you have not considered, subscribe to the channel. If you are, thank you. Did you give a thumbs up on the video because you liked it? You found it helpful? I appreciate that, you guys. Please stay bearded and stay positive.